Hello guys, in my previous video we have discussed about the basic concepts of potentiometry, its components and types of reference electrodes. In this video I am going to tell you about the types of indicator electrode. There are three types of indicator electrode. Number one is metallic electrode, number two is membrane indicator electrode and number three is glass electrode. In this video we will only cover metallic electrode because it itself has further three types, that are first kind of electrode, second kind of electrode and third kind of electrode. Let's start with the first kind of electrode. First kind of electrode is a pure metal electrode that is in direct equilibrium with its cation in the solution. For example, if we have a silver electrode and it is dipped in its solution, redox reaction takes place and it converted into metal, for which Nernst equation would be E equals to E naught minus 2.303 RT upon NF logarithm of activity of silver metal upon activity of silver ion. Since we know that activity of metal is usually very high, so we consider it as 1. So this activity of metal ion can be replaced by 1. So its Nernst equation can also be written in this form, which is showing E naught is a cell constant for this reaction. So the potential of this electrode is directly dependent of the activity of cation. Now what is second kind of electrode? Metals not only serve as indicator electrode for their own cations but also respond to the activities of an anion that form sparingly soluble precipitate or stable complexes with such cations. So we can say the second kind of electrode mostly used to find out the potential or activity of anions. If we see this example, silver and chloride form silver chloride salt, and for this reaction Nernst equation is written here. But we know that AgCl is a sparingly soluble salt, so we will use KSP here, and KSP is a product of activity of cation and anion. If we simplify this equation and want to isolate this, so for isolating this it will go here, and activity of this cation would be equal to KSP of AgCl upon activity of anion. So we can replace this activity of Ag plus by KSP of AgCl upon activity of anion. So if we simplify this equation further, we can write it as like this, which is showing that KSP of this AgCl must have some specific value for this reaction, and E naught is a constant. So potential of this electrode would directly dependent on the activity of this anion. Now what is third kind of electrode? Third kind of electrode measures potential other than cation of the electrode metals. The assembly consists of a metal in contact with two slightly soluble salts immersed in a solution containing the salt of a second metal. Potential other than cation of the electrode metals, like for example if we have a mercury electrode, so it would find out the concentration of this cation. Measures potential other than cation of the electrode metals. So like if we have a mercury electrode, so it would find out the concentration of this calcium ion. The assembly consists of a metal in contact with these two sparingly soluble salts. And for this reaction, is Nernst equation for mercury is written here. Since here we are talking about two sparingly soluble salts, so two KSPs will use. First we will use KSP of mercury oxalate, and the second KSP we will use of calcium oxalate. KSP of mercury oxalate is written here. So if we want to separate this, it will go here, and activity of mercury ion would be equal to KSP of mercury oxalate and upon activity of this anion, and this activity of anion can replace by this expression. here we have simplified this, isolate this by sending it here, and this anion is equal to Ksp of calcium oxalate upon activity of this cation. So this with these values we will put here in this equation, and we will get this form. If we simplify it more, Ksp of mercury oxalate divided by Ksp of calcium oxalate upon activity of this cation. This divide will change into multiply, and denominator becomes numerator, and numerator becomes denominator. And the final form of this equation is written here, which is showing that these both KSPs must have a specific value, and this E naught is a constant. So potential of this electrode would be directly dependent on the activity of cation. So these are the all kinds of electrode, which are type of metallic electrode. If you have any difficulty or any question, you can ask me in comments. And thanks for watching.